Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on this platform by just clicking ads. Okay, so what you're gonna be doing basically on this platform is to click ads. Okay, so once you click on any ad, you're gonna get paid to your dashboard, and trust me, once you get to their threshold for withdrawal, you're gonna be paid directly to any payment method you provide on this platform. Okay, so guys, make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end, because I'm going to walk you through the process of how you can click the ads, how the money can get to your dashboard, how you can withdraw it, how you can create account, and a real proof that this website actually works. Okay, so make sure you stick to this video, watch it from beginning to the end, don't skip any part. Okay, so you won't make mistakes. Okay, so guys, if you're seeing my video for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos like this on this channel, you get notified. And guys, remember, we're on our way to 1k subscribers, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who needs to make money online. Okay, so I'm just going to start up the process right here. Okay, so once you finish signing up, I'm going to be dropping the link to sign up on the description of this video. Okay, so once you click on that link, it's going to direct you to the sign up page. So after finishing the process, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Okay, so once you get here, you want to just click on ads. Okay, so these are the list of ads you have on the platform you can click on, and once you click on any of them, you just spend few seconds, at least 5 seconds. Okay, so once you spend 5 seconds on any of the ads, you're gonna get paid to your dashboard. Okay, okay, so this platform is actually an advertisement platform. People pay this platform to place their advert here, and also the platform pays people to view those advert. Okay, so it's actually a win-win for the platform. Okay, so you gonna be signing up on this platform for totally free. You don't have to pay any money to start making your money on this platform, although they actually have upgrade. Okay, to make money or better money on this platform, you can actually upgrade your account, and you're going to be getting more ads and then make more money on this platform. But better still, you can continue with the free plan, and you're still going to be making money for yourself. Okay, so guys, you can see these are the examples of advert that are placed on this platform. So once you click on any of these, it's just going to direct you to a page. Okay, so once you spend like 5 seconds in the page, it's going to show you that you viewed the ad, and then money is going to be paid to your dashboard. Okay, so let me quickly click on one of these ads right now so you can see how it works. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this one right here. Okay, so once I click on this, it's going to just load. So once I click on it, it's going to load. You can see right here it is loading, and it's going to just take us few seconds. Okay, so once we spend few seconds on this platform, is just gonna show us that we have successfully. Okay, so right here you can see it is loading. Okay, if you check this, you can see it is loading. Okay, so once this particular bar gets filled, I'm just gonna complete a simple puzzle, and then I'll go back to my dashboard. Okay, so right here you can see you need to be very smart in this aspect. Okay, so this is what confirms the fact that you viewed the ad. Okay, so right here you can see something is actually missing. You can see this is a green grass and someone on the bicycle. Okay, so you can see at this top here, you can see there is a green grass right there. So they are telling you to click the upside down picture. Okay, which is actually this one at this top. Okay, so once you click on it, it's gonna come down, and then you successfully completed the ad. Okay, but if you miss it, you won't be paid for that. Okay, so make sure you watch this process clearly. Okay, watch it closely so you won't be making any mistake. Okay, so this is what I'm just going to click on right now. Okay, so once I click on this green grass right here, and it's gonna drop here. Okay, so once it drops here, I'm gonna be paid to my dashboard. Okay, so let me just do that quickly, and you're gonna see what it's going to tell me. Okay, so I just clicked on it. Okay, you can see it actually loading. You can see please wait. Okay, so right here you can see you were credited. Okay, so had it been I clicked on the wrong image, they won't pay me. Okay, so you can see right here you were credited. So I'm just gonna go back to my dashboard. Okay, so once I go back to my dashboard and I check my balance, it's gonna reflect. Okay, so let me just check my account and then see my balance. Okay, So this is something you're gonna be doing on daily basis. Okay, so right here you can see I have 0.09 points and I have 0.007 cents right here, okay, for just clicking on ads. Okay, so right here you're just gonna be logging in every day and you're gonna click on ads and then make money for yourself. Okay, so guys, before I show you the name of this website, I'm just gonna walk you through the sign up process so you can sign up and then come on the website and start making money for yourself. Okay, like I said earlier, I'm also going to show you a real proof that this website is legit and it has been paying. Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through the sign up process right now. Okay guys, so once you click on the link I'm going to be dropping in the description of this video, this is where you're going to be directed to. Okay, so what you want to do is to just click on this option right here showing join for free. Okay, you can see this option right here showing join for free. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to direct you to the sign up page and then you're gonna put in your details. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on it right now and then you see where it's gonna direct us to. Okay, so right here this is the sign up page and trust me, it is very simple. All you just have to do is put in your full name right here. Okay, right here you put in your email address. Right here you confirm your email address. Right here you just have to put in a username. Okay, so here you type in a password and right here you confirm your password. Okay, so once you're done with that, you're just going to check on this terms and condition icon right here. You're just going to click on it. So once you click on it, you click on register. Okay, so once you click on register, your account will successfully be created and you're going to be directed to your dashboard. Okay, so let me just log in and then show you more about this. If you pay attention very well, you will notice that almost everywhere on this website actually has an ad that is displaying on it. Okay, and these guys are actually making a lot of money by all these ad that displays on the platform. Okay, so paying you your own money won't be a problem. Okay, and from those people that are still going to be upgrading on the platform, they still get money from that as well. Okay, so once you finish sign up, this is what your dashboard is gonna look like. Okay, so for you to start making money, you're just gonna click on this option right here showing earn money. Okay, so once you click on earn money, it's gonna show you a list of ways you can earn money on this platform. Okay, so you can see right here view ads, you can see okay, you can see view ads, you can see earn bitcoin, you can see new time war, you can see, so all these are just tasks you're gonna complete and then so you're just gonna click on view ads if you want to be viewing ad. So you're gonna see the list of ads that are available for that day. You're just gonna view them. Okay, so on each ad you view, you just follow the process like I showed you earlier. So once you just do that, the money is gonna show up in your dashboard. Okay, so let me quickly show you a real proof that this website is legit. So guys, the name of this website is actually gab.ag. Okay, so you can see it right here. This is gab.ag with 144 reviews and 4.5 star rating, okay, on Trustpilot. Okay, so guys, this is actually huge. This is a real proof that this website is actually legit. So I'm just gonna click on it and then show you some reviews about this platform already. Okay, so I'm just gonna scroll down. You can see this is a 5-star rating already. Okay, this is a 5-star rating, this is another 5-star rating. Okay, right here you can see payment proof for gab 10.49 cents. Okay, $10.49. The project is super. Okay, so this one is actually recommending it. That is after the person made withdrawal. This person also made withdrawal. You can see right here January 14th. Okay, this person also made withdrawal recently January 15th. Okay, so guys, you can just come on this website, check out more reviews for yourself because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so check out more reviews for yourself and then see if it is something you can spend your time to work on. Okay, but trust me, this website is actually paying. Okay guys, if you find value in this video, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, hit that like button, go on the comment section below, comment make money online, and then you'll see my video for the first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button and then turn on notification bell so whenever I drop videos like this on this channel, you get notified by YouTube and then you can watch the video. You'll be the first to watch it and start making money for yourself. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Remember, we are on our way to 1k subscriber. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you share this video with a friend who needs to make money online. Okay, so thank you. I'll see you in my next video.